Okay, you guys, so today's video is going to be a complete hair 360, I guess you want to call it. My hair is looking something fucking insane. I literally look like Jeffrey Dahmer right now with these glasses and this hair. Not that he had this hair, it's the glasses. But anyways, I just took out all of my hair extensions and I'll make a video sometime on that. I feel like sometimes you guys want to see stuff like that and I just do it like by myself. But you can see I have tons of like hair breakage. I really want to grow my hair out, but because I keep dyeing it red, my hair is complete shit. So that is not going to happen right now. So I'm going to have to keep my hair short for the moment. So what I'm going to do today is give myself a good much needed trim, and then I'm going to recolor my hair. So I like to cut dry hair, and I feel like it's going to work the best anyways if I cut off all the gross ends before I actually color my hair, just because then I will be using less hair color. So I'm gonna just straighten my hair really fast, and then I'm gonna do the haircut. I'm gonna do like a all one length, just like a bob type haircut. So let me straighten my hair really quick, and then I will show you guys how I do a bob.
Okay.
I think that'll do. That's straight enough for my book. Most of this top hair is short enough anyways where it's not even going to get cut today, so whatever. I'm gonna turn my straightener off. I gotta take a drink of my coffee quick. You might be able to hear Fortnite out there because it's being played currently. Okay. So you guys, as far as cutting my hair, I'm gonna use a brush. I feel like it's usually probably more ideal to use a comb, but I'm not going to do that. I still kind of have some residue in my hair from taking out my extensions. So you can hear that like crunch. I can't quite brush through my hair like completely right now because I took them out really fast and I want to get this bourgeois done. So my hair, I'm gonna part in the middle. And let's start. I'm gonna start with the front. I like to start with the front so I know kind of what length I'm going for, and then I just kind of connect it to the back. So it's hot in here, you guys. Hoofda. I look like a rat. Like, what the fuck? That's what I'm doing makeup on, which doesn't help. Okay. So I'm going to start by taking the first set of hair. What I'm doing is literally combing it straight down, grab it with my fingers as tight as possible. So this hair is all completely straight. I'm grabbing it with my fingers. I'm going to use my scissors. My scissors are smaller on one hole, bigger on the next. Kind of depends on which scissors you're using, but you normally try to use your ring finger and then your thumb. These fingers just kind of help to direct, and then you usually want to go straight forward like that. So this is the best way. I feel like some people do it like this. You have no control over your scissors, you guys. So you really want to use ring finger and your thumb, and then you have really good control. These are helping to steady the scissors. Okay. So I'm gonna grab hair nice and tight with my two fingers right here. I think I'm gonna go, I wanna say right here. This is probably, what is that, like 2 inches, inch and a half? So just chop away. Okay, so I have one straight line. The lighting in here kind of sucks. I'm sorry, you guys. So there's one straight line right there. Let's see if that's the length I want. So if the rest of my hair is gone, I think that should do. Maybe I'll go the tiniest bit shorter. Oh my gosh, my glasses are getting in the way. So grab the hair again, and I'm literally just going to do a straight line. Okay, so we have that line. I'm gonna connect it now, so I'm gonna grab some more hair from the back along with the hair that I just cut. Do you see that? That's not straight. Anyways, I'm just going to go through and literally just connect the line. So you always wanna grab hair that you've already cut along with hair that you have not cut yet, so you can keep just connecting the line so you know exactly where you're at. So you're just gonna keep working backwards. Here's more. Just connecting the line. Okay, so here is my line so far in the front and then the back. So same thing. Oh, that's much better. My hair still looks like a thin, I don't even know. It still looks weird, but whatever. Okay, so now I'm going to grab hair from the back along with, again, the hair I've already cut. So right here, even it out as you go, and I'm just going to cut that line. so for this hair, I'm literally still holding it tight and bringing it forward, but make sure to hold it extremely tight so it doesn't move, because you have to whip it around your head like this so you can see what you're doing. So I still see my line right there. So I'm just going to keep cutting it straight. People are gonna bitch at me about not wearing a cape. It's easier for me not to wear a cape when I cut my own hair. I'm in my bathroom. It'll be easy for me to clean up. Okay, grab the back. I'm gonna have to go with the underneath hair afterwards because I can tell I'm missing some of it. Wing it forward and just cut that line. Okay. I'm gonna flip it over to this side now. Grab it tight. So this hair, I'm kind of just gonna pull up like this and see where the line is and just kind of match it. Okay, let's see how even we are on this side, or if it completely didn't line up. So I'm just keep going. I think I'm making this longer, but I want to make sure I don't make it too short. Yeah, you can tell it's longer. Okay. Grab this hair. Oh, all that dead hair coming off. Okay, so this is still longer on this side, you can tell. I'm gonna pull them together like this to see. They're pretty close. I have hair all over. Oh my gosh, you guys, it feels like 500 times better. You have no idea. Okay, so I want to compare these two pieces. I'm just going to grab them on both sides, pull them down, and make sure they kind of land at the same spot. You can kind of do that anywhere on your hair. Just select hair on the same spot on the head, pull it down, and just kind of make sure that it feels like it's the same length, which I think it is. The back, I know I have some hair I still need to cut, like underneath hair. So I'm going to comb through again tight, pull it up, see what hair I still have that's long. I have a lot of like little baby hairs right there. So I'm going to just chop those. Same thing right here. Okay, so now I think that's pretty good. I want to look at the back now with a mirror. You guys can see the back of my hair. I can't, so I want to see what it looks like. I think that's pretty good. I feel like it looks like this part might be a little bit longer, but I don't actually think it is. Oh, let's see. This is disgusting, you guys. I am so sorry. Okay, so I'm gonna grab my scissors. Try this one more time. Grab the hair. And, okay, yep, so you can see that kind of goes out just a little bit in the middle there, so I'm just gonna kind of snip that. Okay, I think that'll do. Okay, so here is the first part, which is my hair trim. Okay, I think it's good. I'm going to go ahead and dye my hair now. Hold on one second. Let me clean this up and then I'll be right back. Let me show you guys what I'm using. This is Ion Color Brilliance. This is in the color red. So this is what I always use, or I've been using for like the last 6 months. Besides that time I dyed my hair black. So this is what it looks like. Hopefully this is enough for my head. I think it will be since my hair is shorter now. This is already opened. I've used this previously. I'm gonna drop it. Okay, I'm just gonna squirt it in here. And then I will be using 10 volume. It's up to you if you guys have really dark hair and you wanna kind of lighten it with this. This is good for that. You can use 20 volume, but my hair is so damaged that I'm not lightening my hair at all. So I will use 10 volume. And this is what I had found last time I went and got my developer. So this is Ion Sensitive Scalp, and this one again, 10 volume. So let me mix it up. Hang on one sec. Okay, so here's my consistency. I did not measure it. You may need to get a measuring little like Doppler thing if you want to know exactly how much you need. Normally it's like 1 part to 2 part or 2 part to 2 part. Wait, 1 part to 2 part or 1 to 1. Anyways, I just kind of eyeball it. I've been doing hair for a long time. So to me, this consistency looks good. I'm hoping this will be enough for my hair. But regardless, I really just want to get the scalp. So I'm just going to start by doing the new growth. I'm literally just popping it on here. I'm going to go in sections. So I'm just separating it and doing the part that has grown out. I kind of wanted to ombre it where I would just do like the top and then leave the bottom part, but I think it's gonna look kind of shitty if I do that, so I'm gonna try to get the whole thing if I can make it stretch that far. I should have probably bought more, but this was kind of a last minute decision here to do my hair. So I'm literally just taking little sections and getting that new growth. I'm gonna go all the way down here. For me, that's easier. Normally you would do 4 sections, so you do 1, 2, and then 3, 4. I kind of like to go down here though too. For me, it's just easier. And honestly, I will do whatever I can to make it easier for me. Okay. I'm kind of thinking I'm gonna run out. I don't think I'm gonna have enough, which is fine. Whatever, I'll make it work. Okay, next side. And I'm sorry if I'm not doing like super in-depth, you guys. I've made so many of these videos. I don't really know what you guys want to know, what you have questions on. So let me know down below if you guys have any specific questions. And I will try to answer them. I am a licensed cosmetologist, but I have not actually worked at a salon for like, I want to say almost 9 years. I've had my current job, so yeah. Okay, I'm gonna speed this up and yeah, hang on one sec, guys. So now I'm gonna go ahead and saturate the rest of my hair. I wish I had gloves, I don't. I never do. I always say I'm gonna buy more and then I don't. So anyways, I'm literally just putting this through. There's a lot better ways to do this where you actually make sure the whole thing is saturated, but lately I've just kind of said fuck it, so I'm just kind of putting it in. And once again, I think I'm gonna run out. That's okay though, I'm more worried about the top than the bottom. The bottom of my hair doesn't fade as much as the top part. That is like this orangey color because it's so damaged. The bottom isn't quite as damaged as the top. I'm gonna wait about 25 minutes and then I will rinse it out and show you guys what it looks like. Okay guys, here is the final result. What do you guys think? It feels 500 times better. The ends are a little bit fresher. The hair color is like way better. Yeah. What do you guys think? Let me know down below. Here is the before picture and of course the after. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe if you want to see more hair videos, glasses videos, tutorials, that kind of thing, and I will see you guys later. I feel like I like to show you guys more when I'm outside because you can actually see what it looks like. So here is what it looks like.
5 million fucking times better.